American Suzuki is passionate about affordable performance. It shows not only in their products, but in how they run their company as well. That's why when business growth led to IT storage issues, they immediately sought out a solution.
About 2 years ago, the storage usage at American Suzuki was kind of getting out of hand. We experienced an exponential growth in the use of storage, so we needed a solution to help manage that issue.
In Suzuki's case, this caused serious issues. Backups that were supposed to take 12 hours were taking 18. Users were complaining about performance when accessing file shares. And data migrations took up to a week, consuming IT resources and causing user downtime. Something had to change.
I turned to my network team and asked for them to research and propose solutions to manage that. They looked at several solutions. A lot of them were somewhat expensive and difficult to implement. But the combination of the F5 ARX with the data manager coupled with NetApp seemed to be a good combination that could cost-effectively manage our storage.
F5 ARX virtualizes the file storage environment, making it easy and non-disruptive to move data. ARX complements the NetApp storage infrastructure by identifying active and inactive data and automatically placing it on the appropriate NetApp tier.
We implemented an industry best practice by tiering our storage, and we created 3 tiers. The first tier is used for the volatile data, and we use expensive disk to do that so that it's fast and easy to retrieve. And then tiers 2 and 3 are used for the data that's not required quite as frequently, and we were able to reduce the cost and use the SATA disk for those tiers 2 and 3.
The combination of NetApp and F5 ARX solved Suzuki's problems. First, by moving 80% of their data to Tier 2 storage, user complaints about performance disappeared. Second, through tiering and deduplication, backup loads were significantly reduced. In fact, backups that used to take 18 hours now take 90 minutes, improving operations and saving money on tapes.
The cost savings were really in the type of storage that we could employ to appropriately store data. So we were able to use a lot less expensive disk. We also found that techniques like deduplication allowed us to manage the storage more effectively. Our payback on this particular project was less than 12 months.
In the end, F5 helped Suzuki find the performance they needed at the price they could afford. F5, IT agility your way.